Hi, AP Art. Welcome to week 7 online. Catherine, Jake, Shayna, Zoe, Nina, and Jordan. I hope that you're all doing well and you can see the end in sight. There are 3 major things to do this week. The first is to, as you can see on your Google Classroom, select a time slot for your final AP portfolio. Okay, there is a Google form that you can all submit. The second thing I'm going to ask you to do is complete the final draft of your line of inquiry, your inquiry statement, based upon my recommendations. Okay, you'll upload that final version to the SI page along with your 10 SI images. It's under a tab. It says written evidence. Okay, and I can show you that here in a second if you like. Let's look at, I think I have Nina's up. Yeah, see this right here. Here's her images, written evidence right here. You're going to be able to upload your inquiry statement there. Okay, all right. The third thing is to upload the selected works images to that section of your portfolio. Yeah, it just logged me out, so I can't do that. I'm sorry. Here, let's go back to Classroom. All right, it's a circle, a number 2 with the circle. You'll see it says selected works. Okay, you're going to upload 3 images, 2 placeholders. You also need to include 100 characters each for ideas, materials, and processes for each work. Okay. This week I've again attached these updated AP Art and Design portfolio requirements. You can refer to those as needed. There are also 2 videos this week, and again, I've gone through them and pulled out all the juicy tidbits for you, okay? The first is called Demystifying Synthesis. Okay, it's pretty helpful. The second one is Selected Works, a complete explanation. All right, there's an extremely important section at the 6-minute and 40-second mark. It's so important, I'm going to go over them right here for you. Okay, when you are using your 100 characters for each of the ideas, processes, and materials. Here, this is so important. I'm gonna log back in here. Okay, so you can see this. And we're talking about the selected works section of your portfolio. We're just going to pick on Nina since she's alphabetically first. Okay, there it is. Okay, so here's your selected works section. You have to use, you see here, you're going to upload your image, and then you have ideas, materials, and processes, 100 characters each. So use your 300 total characters wisely. Don't be repetitive, okay? Use language directly from the scoring rubrics. There we go. They are here. These rubrics, look, I put them right here for you under the Demystifying Synthesis video. I put those rubrics right here for you, okay? So you're going to want to use words such as evidence, synthesis, concept. Take that language directly from there. Make it easy for the reviewers of your portfolio to give you a 5, okay? Make it easy on them. They'll appreciate it. You know, playing politics never hurts, right? You probably want to type out the answers that you place here in Word first. You know, check for, you're not going to be graded on spelling, but you know, it always looks good. Check for synonyms. If you have a word, you know, that's 12 characters long, but you can say it in a word that's 6 characters long, you can say that much more. So be smart, okay? Get as much bang for your buck out of these meager 100 characters. Spell check we talked about. Don't worry about putting your line of inquiry here. All right, it's already taken care of in the sustained investigation section. All you're worried about here is this image, whatever you upload. Contact me if you get stuck. All right. There's not going to be a weekly email this week. You have plenty to do. But of course, if you have any questions, anything at all you need, let me know. My hope is that we can all meet at the early part of next week, Monday the 11th, Tuesday the 12th, Wednesday the 13th, individually to go over, and have an in-depth review of your portfolios. And then I'm going to give you at least 2 days until Friday the 15th to submit your final portfolio as you like it so that I can pass it along to Miss Sutmeyer. She passes it along to the College Board. Please don't send me your portfolios for approval until after we do our Google Meet, because I'm just going to send them back to you probably, and then it's just a pain. So just hold off until after we have our individual meetings, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Plans, just so you know, we got an email from Mr. Aquilio about allowing students limited access to the buildings, things like that. It might be a little bit too late for you guys, especially if you have work there. I know Nina's already contacted me about getting one of her works. If you need work that's left in the room, or you need supplies, you need anything at all, I'm here for you. Let me know, I can get into the building. I will do it, all right? I'll leave it in a safe way, and we'll be in touch. All right, that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful week. Let me know what questions you have. Communication is key here, guys. The end is in sight, all right? You got this. I'm very, very proud of you. You have done an amazing amount of work. Let's just bring it home now, okay? Sayonara. Bye.